Did you know there's a planet that might be made of diamonds? Meet 55 Cancri E, a super-Earth located about 40 light-years away in the Cancer constellation. With extreme temperatures reaching over 2,000 to 700 degrees, the surface of this planet could be covered in molten lava and sparkling diamond-like structures. It orbits its star, 55 Cancri A, in just 18 hours, meaning a year on this planet is shorter than a day on Earth. Imagine a world where diamond and lava coexist, where molten rivers flow across a landscape shimmering with carbon-rich crystals. It's a truly otherworldly, gem-like planet, showcasing the mysterious wonders of our cosmos.